What is going on, guys? It is based here, sorry. Quick tutorial for the day. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your webcam if it's not working in OBS. And one of the main reasons is, you can just see, let me turn this on. Sorry, wrong one. You can see me here because you're in the wrong scene. So if you want on this scene, you're trying to, capture your monitor or wherever, but I'm blind. You're trying to do display capture and then throw your webcam over it, it's not working because it's most likely open in this one. Even if you turn it off, it doesn't work, so you're gonna have to go ahead and either delete it and delete this one and then open up a whole new thing and then you could put yourself wherever you want. Either that or you can do this. You can go to video capture device and then add the existing, and then you can use both instances of this, so you can see yourself on both of these. Like if you're maybe switching between a stream or something and then you need to go from up here to like down here or something, that's a pretty good use, but that might just be a simple fix to one of your issues. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.